I invite His Excellency Ratu Wiliame Maivalili, Katonivere, President of the Republic of Fiji, to address the Assembly.
Mr. President, Heads of State and Your Excellencies, the world is in peril. Conflicts are raging, the climate crisis is escalating, development is faltering, our ecosystems are failing, whilst inequalities and injustice are everywhere. It is the most vulnerable who are suffering the consequences. Tomorrow, it will be our children, their children, and succeeding generations who will pay the price for our inaction. In the face of pressing global challenges, the values of multilateralism has never been more relevant and more urgent. Fiji acknowledges the Summit of the Future as an opportunity to strengthen our resolve and consensus on safeguarding the future of humanity. The Pact of the Future, which has been adopted at this summit, represents a collective commitment to do better together and leave no one behind. Mr. President, we have a common vision for sustainable future. How we achieve this vision will depend on the efforts we undertake. We have only 6 years until 2030 to progress the Sustainable Development Agenda. We must urgently recalibrate international cooperation and reform the multilateral system. We must be intentionally inclusive. We must work together as member states, supported by a multilateral system that is fit for purpose and in consideration of non-state actors, private sectors, and all members of society. We must choose peace over conflict and respect human rights of all as enshrined in the UN Charter. We must respect and protect our environment and its resources on land, in the sea, and in the air. We must trust each other, as trust is the foundation of strong partnership. We must be true to our word. Our legacy for the generations of tomorrow depends on the action we undertake today. We must do better for them. Mr. President, I thank you.